No, Daddy.
Why not?
Cause
Give it the gas.
I'm not doing that. I'm not giving it the gas.
Why, you don't like that?
I don't want to. I like you to. And I could go
Go,
there.
get a gas.
Then the next one, I'm not doing anything.
I'll only give it for 2 minutes and then we'll stop.
And then then we could go alone.
Yeah, I just want to film us. See, if I keep my hand like this, it won't be as bouncy.
I'm not going down the hill. You know that, right?
Say hi.
Hi. You're going to crash in.
What?
You're going to crash into something.
No, we're not.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
What?
You're turning us around.
What?
You're turning us around. Now can we go down the hill?
Okay, let's go down there. Don't give it too much gas though.
Okay, now let's drop the thing off.
Drop it off?
Yes,
Okay.
at the gas station. Stop,
Okay, we'll
George.
drop it off.
Okay, drop it off.
End of the ride.